हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस, एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो एज यू गाइस कैन सी इन द थंबनेल, oh my god, today's recipe is really something because it's really next level you guys, because हम लोग आज slime without glue, without borax, without fevicol, without any boric acid और borax activator के बिना बनाने वाले हैं। Like literally it's mind blowing. So if you guys have these two ingredients in your home, then you guys can literally pretty much make anything, and you guys can pretty much make the slime in no time. So I think you guys are literally as excited as I am, because like, oh my god, I'm super excited for sharing this recipe with you guys. So if you guys like these kinds of short videos, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel, because that's how YouTube knows this video is a good one. And इसके बाद ही YouTube इन videos को आगे new subscribers को suggest करेगा. So make sure to give this video a like and comment something really nice so that I can give you guys a shout out. So yeah, fantastics, that's it for the intro. So now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to make a slime that anyone can make in their home if they have these two ingredients. So now let's start making the slime, and let's take our bowl. So here's our bowl. Now let's take our first ingredient, which is literally the most important. Now there are some other versions of this ingredient. Today we are taking some corn flour. So the first ingredient is corn flour. So if you don't have corn flour at home, then you guys also take some baby powder, or you guys can also take, some talc powder or anything like Pond's powder or anything like that. So you guys can take any sorts of talc powder, or you guys can take just cornstarch. I'm pretty sure everyone has corn flour in their home. So let's take some corn flour. So here's our cornstarch. As you guys can see, I'm using this cornstarch. I've already had this in my home. So this is the cornstarch that I'm going to be using today. So yeah, let's take some cornstarch into our bowl. So I've taken about 9 to 10 teaspoons of corn flour in our bowl. So yeah, now let's see what is our next ingredient. So our next ingredient is, yes, gulal. Like, trust me, I am just as surprised as you are. So our next ingredient is gulal. So let me explain how this gulal actually came from, because like I purchased this gulal for this Holi, but then like I've had some exams or something like that, so I wasn't able to use this gulal for like playing and stuff. So this gulal packet is left over, and I thought that we are mixing powders today, so why not mix gulal to give our slime some color, because it's really interesting. Like, you guys can literally use anything to color your slime. So let me know in the comment section what other coloring agents you guys use to color your slimes, and let me know different types of colors that you use. Give me some ideas. So I am going to be reading the comments, so make sure you guys give me some recommendations. So let's add our gulal into our slime mixture. So I am going to add this much of gulal, and oh my god, you guys, gulal actually gives your slime such nice smell, because now this smells like roses. Like, oh my god, this is just amazing. So now that you guys have mixed everything together, now let's see what is our final ingredient that is going to help us make this beautiful slime. So drum rolls. It's actually shaving cream. So yeah, the activator of this video is shaving cream, because we are going to make a mixture with both of these ingredients, and shaving cream really helps combine everything together. You guys can use shaving foam or shaving cream or anything in between. And yeah, it should make a very nice cloud doughy slime, and it will resemble a lot of butter slime, because the ingredients makes it feels like a air dried clay and something like that. So now let's see if this recipe actually works or not, and let's add some shaving foam. And I'm going to fast forward this process so that you guys don't get bored. So yeah, let's do this and let's activate our slime. So I am now using 2 spoons to mix this, because the texture is just too fluffy and doughy for a single spoon. So yeah, do whatever you want and mix thoroughly. Like as you guys can see, it is forming a slime, and I will keep on kneading it, and I'll just fast forward this part. For the kneading process, you guys can use some baby oil to make this process a little bit easier. So yeah, now I'm going to show you how to actually properly knead this dough. So yeah. So fantastic. So as you guys can see, this is how our slime is looking. Like, oh my god, this is actually so nice, you guys. Oh my god, you guys can actually see that oh my god, it's really fun to play with. It is a bit doughy, but obviously when you have only 2 ingredients, then you guys can make this slime. It's actually really fun to play with, and if you put it in a balloon or something, it will make an amazing squishy. So this slime recipe gets a 7 out of 10 because it's not really stretchy, but it is just as fun as other slimes. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.